can see it is a flat one. Okay, and okay, come into. This is our door, ridge cut aluminum. Yeah, and here it is the kitchen, and you can put the kitchen cabinet, and we have leave the plumbing here. Yeah, and this is our bathroom. Let's come in see, and the bathroom, it is a partition one, partition shower. You can come into. Yeah, and toilet, washing basin, mirror cabinet, and the shower head, all of included. And here is our one bedroom and another bedroom. This is two bedrooms, one bathroom, and one kitchen. And for this one, the most advantages is that, and you see, and here it is very tall. So the space is very, very wide. And then the regular expandable container house. So if you are interested in this one, and please contact us. Thank you.